Hello everyone, this is unboxing and initial impressions of 32-inch OnePlus Y series Android Smart TV. The model name is 32Y1. This TV is listed in Amazon for 12,999 and I bought it for 11,698 with a 10% discount using HSBC card. Wall mount is not given in the box and we have to buy it separately if you want the TV to be hung. This is the closer look of the back panel and this one is the physical power button that's given in the back. The TV has a 3-star rating for energy consumption. Ports are given in two places in the back panel of this television, one facing downwards and another on this side. An HDMI port, Ethernet port, one USB 2.0 port and audio video input ports are facing below, and the second HDMI port, USB 2.0 and traditional RF ports are given on the sides. The plastic stands are firm and easy to fix on our own. Actual weight of this TV is around 3.5 kgs as mentioned on Amazon. The TV has a 720p HD LED panel which has 1366 by 768 pixels with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It has a 91.4% screen to body ratio. The ports are open and not covered by a panel like they are given in U series or Q series. The remote is light, very handy and comfortable to hold and operate. It has dedicated buttons for Oxygen Play, Google Assistant, Netflix, Amazon Prime and YouTube. It weighs around 60 grams. The TV runs Android 9.0 out of the box and there was an update available when we completed the setup for the first time. Unfortunately, I was not able to connect the TV with OnePlus Connect app on my iPhone. There was this error and I tried for an hour but could not connect. I'll keep trying and update in the comments or description if there is an update. The TV has a Mali 470 triple core 64-bit GPU and 1GB RAM. Note that 1GB RAM, 8GB of internal storage but only 4.6GB is available. The Oxygen Play interface is very smooth, which is an collated display of content titles from multiple OTT platforms for our comfortability. Not only Oxygen Play, the other apps that I tested like Amazon Prime, YouTube also worked fine for its 1GB RAM. Following are some video and audio samples and I have given the Amazon link for this TV in the description below. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts or questions if any. I'm more than happy to help you out there. Watch rest of the video. Have a good day.